Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
How are you today?
I am fine. Thanks. And what about you?
I'm perfectly fine. How's your family?
It is very well.
Okay. And what do you do?
I do study.
Okay. Where do you study?
I do study at library.
And what have you passed so far?
I have passed graduation from Janata Valley College, Vadod Bagpat.
And what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, I am doing PG from Janata Valley College and preparing for government exam, learning spoken English and computer.
Do you want to be a government employee?
Yes, I want to make a government employee
Why do you want to get a good job in government sector?
because I want to need money. I want to earn money.
Can you earn money in private sector?
Yes, I can earn money private sector
So why can you not want to get a good job in private sector?
because nowadays I am learning spoken English and computer and day by day I am improving my communication skills in private sector, and it is very necessary and for my life.
Okay. So what kind of job do you want to get?
I want to get a official job.
What kind of job do you want to get? Private job or government job?
I want to get a government job
Why do you want to get a government job?
because government job is better private job, and it is permanent for life.
Would you like to tell me about government job?
Yes, I would like to tell me about government job
So please tell me.
because firstly, if you want to prepare this government job, so you you need to prepare government exam like as you read English, mathematics, reasoning,
Mhm.
and GS subject. And after that, if you want to get in defense, if you want to get a good job in defense sector, SSC, UPSC, and teaching sector, so you look whole syllabus in this sector like as English, and you want to you take to coaching. So you have to take coaching, offline or online classes from YouTube and any other competitive apps like it's Career Physics Wala, and
Okay.
otherwise.
Can you do a job in private sector?
Yes, I can do a job in private sector.
So what kind of job do you want to get in private sector? Office job or field job?
Office job, sir.
Why?
Because office job is very easily better than field job.
So have you ever uh, learned computer basic or advanced?
Yes, I have learned it.
So what have you learned it? Basic or advanced?
I have learned it basic and tele ERP9.
Okay. Where have you learned computer basic and
I have
tele?
learned computer basic and tele ERP9 from AppTech Computer Center and Balaji Computer Center.
Okay. What have you learned from Balaji classes?
I have learned from basic computer course.
From
And
Balaji classes.
yes, and what is your father name?
My father name is Rajesh Kumar.
And
And what about you? What's your
my
father name?
father name is Rajbir Singh.
What does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
Okay. Does your father satisfied with his earning?
Yes, he satisfied with my journey.
Okay.
And what is your mother name?
My mother name is Sudesh. And what about you?
My mother name is Sheila Devi.
What does she do?
She is housewife.
Okay. So what does your father want you to be a?
My father want me to a government officer.
Okay.
And what does your father to be a?
My father want me to be a software engineer.
And what are you doing to become a software engineer?
Nowadays I'm learning spoken English and learning coding at my home.
And where are you learning spoken English?
I'm learning spoken English at Boston campus. And what about you? Where are you learning spoken English?
I am learning spoken English at Boston campus. Is Boston campus is good or bad?
Boston campus is very good for spoken English. And how do you find Boston campus?
It is very well.
Okay. And how many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
What does he do?
He studies.
Where does he study?
He studies in Mount Letera G School, Vadod Bagpat.
Where is it?
Is it near about Badoli Road, Badod?
Okay. So what does he want to be?
He wants he wants to be an agriculture expert.
Uh, What do you want him to be?
I want him to be an agriculture expert.
Okay. What is he doing to become a agriculture expert?
Now he is doing studying and learning spoken English and computer.
Would you like to tell me his name?
His name is Tanishk.
Okay. What have you has he passed?
He have passed 9th class.
Yeah. Okay. When did he pass ninth class?
He has passed 9th class in 2023.
Thank you, sir. It was a nice discussion.
It's the same time.